Hey guys, good morning. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. Alright, so for the first time visitors, welcome to my channel. My channel is mainly about um, showcasing buying and selling points using the OnePunch Algo plugin, which is a plugin that indicates or it gives buy and sell signals for any stock. So mainly what I do uh, in the pre-market, this is my scanner here where I can scan all the hey, good morning Vix, thank you for visiting every day. I hope you make money last Friday with Vimi. It went after we finished, it went like 180% up. Even today it is up. Today EQ is going up. It's already 300% up. Great. Awesome. So what we are going to do, we are going to check all the nice. We are going to check all the stocks in the pre-market scanner today, and I'm going to check their news, and I'm going to check all the supporting and resistance levels and anything else regarding how we can swing trade for the entire day today. All right, so pre-market EQ is moving up. They have a outstanding share volume of 70 million, and the share float is around 6 million, so it's not bad, it's actually good. Pre-market volume right now, the highest trading stock is ECOR. It is also moving fast. Let's go ahead and quickly check what other news we have. So I checked with bar chart EQ, but I couldn't find any news PR or anything. So I'm gonna check with Google. Going to tools and want to check the last hour. Something related to COVID. Oh, come on, ad blocker. Alright, I'm gonna share this article with you guys so you guys can read. All right. So they have a clinical trial. Alright, so EQ does have a clinical trial news. I'm going to add it for my list. And also I added the news in my scrolling text so we don't forget. Alright. Let's mark the supporting and resistance levels. I like to check year to date first. So year to date, wow, it's actually going higher than it was in any other day. So at 5, since it is more than 11, you're gonna mark support levels first. 566, 10, 4, 1162. I think 1162 could be the resistance if this pulls down. Yeah, and in 2019 it was up at 16. There's one at 12. Alright, so we have 3 up, 2 down. Anything else? 1493. There's some here though. Well, only twice, so it's fine. Alright, so we mark resistance levels and support level for EQ. So it should bounce between that, and once if it breaks up about 1260, just like Friday we stock did, this might go up without any stop. ECOR, let's check what's going on. They have some news 48 minutes ago. Okay, emergency use authorization. Let me share the link with you guys as well. Alright, I added the news in the scrolling text as well, so let's check now. Normally these days, even though if it is coronavirus related FDA, it goes in the pre-market, and then once the market open, it just drop down. So just in case, let's mark supporting and resistance levels. I like to check year to date first. 122, there's support at 122, 140. Alright, let's start there. Support I will mark with light blue, 177. $270. 310. 5. Oh, so that's a resistance. So let me turn those into green color. Good. So this one also resistance. 643. Alright, so the outstanding stocks, they have more than 38 million shares, and then the float is around 28 million. So since this is an emergency approval, I want to see some breakouts on these levels. So for an example, let's say breakout 311, then there's the opportunity for this to run until 5. So let's see. Right now 30-minute candlesticks shows positive movement. So let's check 5-minute. Yeah, so it's about to touch that $3 mark, and then if it didn't break out, then it will move downwards. Alright, so the next one, let me add this to the watch list. BioXL, pre-market shares volume 899,000. Um, 30-minute, there's the hard sell at 5:30 a.m. in the morning. You already have two great stocks with news, so let's see. Bar chart didn't have any news for BioXL. Let's check Google tools, anytime, past hour. Was this the one? No, right? Something else. No news with them, so I'm not going to touch it because it's already given a hard sell. So I will wait for it to give some news. Alright, BFYT pre-market 300,000 volume. Let's see, just in case if there's some news. Upside. Yeah, it is starting to move right now. So maybe there is. July 7th is the last PR they had. So let's check Google. No news. I will watch it because if we check 5 minutes, started to get all these yellow bars in 5 minutes. So let's see. Let's check Dolphin. They went before a couple of weeks ago too, so it's already up. $237 in the last 2 months. But for today, let's see. Here's the first hard sale yesterday, actually Friday night, and then in the morning here's the hard sale. Since then it's moving downwards, already down 8%. So I'm not going to touch it or even check all the resistance levels unless they have news. Alright, see. July 18th, first quarter earning call. So it's moving because of the earnings. Alright, I'm not going to worry about it. ALT, yeah, last week, oh yeah, it actually broke last week record. It's up 973%. Oh my god, in the last 2 months. Jeez. Wow. Let's see. I just received some amber alert. Oh, someone is missing a kid. Alright, let's see. 57 minutes ago there are news. Oh great, bro. When did you purchase it? LTM and the University of Alabama. I think I'm not supposed to do clinical results. Oh, this is great. Let me share the PR with you guys. Coronavirus vaccine. Alright, let me update my scrolling text. ALT. $17.81. Nice. So you are up. $50, 60%. Awesome. 30-minute. There is a soft sell for ALT. but the news is great. There's a hard buy when we check with 50 minutes at around 7:30 a.m. between $30 and $33. So, but let's see. Yeah, let's mark all the resistance levels and support levels. Give me few seconds to do that. I like to check year to date first, if not 1 year or 5 years. So 5 years doesn't have to be 5 years. Let's see. The stock has been split in 2018. That's fine. 23, that's the support. That's the resistance 58. Wow, this stock was, well, because of this stock split, I guess it's showing 441 dollars. Yeah, that's the split. So there is one in here at 35. Oh, there is a resistance at 35. So that's why it went down today. I mean, there is potential if they actually announce they found the vaccine. This will go like at least for like 50s. So if you wanna hold, well, it's up to you to decide, because you can actually make money while if you sold right now when it hit the 35 mark, and then once it is dropped down, maybe you can buy back again, and that might give you compound income, so you can purchase more stocks and then you can hold for that 50% $50 breakout. All right, so I see the first resistance level at 35, and then the support at 22. So it could drop down until 22. So is there any other support levels? Actually, there is 24. Between 24 and 25. Yeah, let's mark here. There's a support. Anything else I missed? No, that's it. 5 minutes doesn't look great, but still I'm going to watch today. Let's see if I can swing trade it either way. MBY moving up. Well, it's actually going down after it went up. Wow, I sold this one at 127 few days ago. I had like 10,000 stocks which I held for. Well, you can hold. Let's see if you can you day trade it, or if you can't day trade it, then it's fine for you to hold, because again they will go up once there's positive news around it. But right now I don't see it's going up. If it hold and break out 35, yeah, then it will go to somewhere around 50s. Yeah, if you can day trade, then you can swing it the entire day. For an example, if you let's check 5 minutes here. Let's say you sold at the peak 32 today, and then now it's already down 13%. And if the market opens and if everyone start to sell, because since Friday it is up already 32%, right? Okay, so you can't day trade, so that's fine. Then just keep on to it, because this stock seems to be actually good. And coronavirus vaccine, nowadays they tend to go up, so yep. Hold on. Or NBY, I think this is related to all the mask, and also I held this one. I saw last week. Today it went to $2 now. So as you can see, if I check 15 minutes, here's the hard sell. So since then it's going down, and I even had those resistance levels marked previously, so it did break out the resistance levels, and it did not touch the $230 mark. So alright, I'm not going to trade it today. BFYT, didn't this one went up a couple of days ago? Well, it's highly volatile stock. INO. Resistance levels I have marked previously at 35. Let me color code it green, and then right now it's 23, so this is also going to be a resistance level. So support there and support at 20. Alright, so this is 15 minutes. Today, how much stocks they have? Wow, they have 158 outstanding shares. So if I compare with ALT and INO, I like ALT because they only had less than 20 million outstanding shares, and then the float is around 11 million. So when we compare, the both are in same price. They are both working on a COVID vaccine. If INO wins, this might go to like 50, yeah. But if ALT wins, it could actually break out for even 75 or something like that. What was the breakout point that we marked? So ALT has it. What happened to it? $58. I didn't mark the breakout point. So 67, 95. After the split, it was around 130. So yeah, this is a stock that was high end previously, so it could go to that level, 84. Yeah, but the news has to be there. Okay, all right. So the next one, you said IN. Yeah, so you are understood about the IN, right? So it's going between, let's go back to the chart. It's moving up and down between 20 and 24. So the resistance and the support level, it is going to touch the support resistance level 24 soon. So this means if it breaks out, it will go back again for that 35 mark. Well, actually this is another resistance level at 27, so let me mark that as well, so you know. Yeah, that's the one. So if it breaks out, it will go to 27, and if it breaks that point, and then it will touch the 35 mark. Let's check NIO. NIO moving up. Oh, the Neo cars. Now they have 3-4 Neo type cars, right? Like Tesla type. I saw the Shell SH, LL, and Nikola, and now Neo. I like Neo. I had it for like $2, but I sold at $6. Alright, so the resistance. First, I want to show how many outstanding shares they have. So they have 900 million outstanding shares. So that's the only problem I have with that stock. But the EPS is actually not bad compared to most of the other stocks at $1 million. So they are actually going in a positive direction, that means. But the current coronavirus, motor industry is getting some issues with production and demand. Alright, so let's mark both the support and resistance levels. Hey guys, while you guys are watching, please click like button. If you actually like the channel, it will help me out with YouTube rankings. Let's see, 5 years. So the stock highest was around 1375. So now it is trading above the previous known highest point. So this means, actually this means good, because there is no resistance level, known resistance level. So what happened if there is great if there is some news about any kind of news, this will keep on going up, because there is no resistance right now. For any news, people will jump in and then move up. So if you are holding, you can still hold it. What do you have it, WR? What's your actual name? Do you want to share it? Yeah guys, come on. I know my voice is not that great, but I'm trying. Let's see. There's actually resistance at 1569. Let me mark that as well. So yeah, nice. So I will mark this one as support, since it is moving up now. Do I see support in 13? No, it's something that happened on pre-market, sorry. Alright William, I will keep you a name in mind. I actually sucks at keeping reminding names. Alright, so BFYT, did they had news? No, right? So we check it. 30 minutes, kind of feel like we check, but there's no news. Yeah. Alright, so I will mark those. I marked orange for BFYT because I kind of feel there is something brewing up. I don't know what it is, but I will check it back later. NBY is going down, so not gonna bother about it. RIGL, pharmaceutical, biotechnology. Let's see if they have news. We still have time. July 9. WKHS. Yes, let's check. Alright, before that I will give some heads up with the plugin how it works. Hard by indicator, first green outline white candle formation after a red outline white candle, so it has to be like that for a hard buy. And then the hard sell indicator, first red outline yellow candle formation after a green outline yellow candle, so it has to be like this. So normally I like to check 50 minutes and 30-minute chart, candlestick chart, to see hard sell in pre-market. When I name it hard sells, I went to stock it and then started to promote it, saying hard sell, this is when it happened, this is when you should sell, so and so, and people started to laugh. You call it hard sell, bro? Well, I couldn't come up with another name. Alright, so WKHS, workhorse. Is this the one with the tracking company? No, that's YCW. Oh yeah, this is the tracking company. All right, let's mark the let's mark the resistance and support. So there's resistant. Right now it's touching the resistance. So if it breaks, then it will move up for 16.99. Let's see. Yeah, that's the next resistance. And can I see resistance here? Yeah, there's a lot. So the 17.99, there's another resistance level. 1971, there's another. After that, it's okay. The support is around 14.1. Yeah, let's mark it like that. Alright, if you want to take a screenshot, actually, you know what, let me send this to you. Take a snapshot, copy, so you remember this later on. Alright, let's move on for DLPN. I check with 30 minutes. Yeah, so we mark those levels where it's turning down. That's fine. Let's check the other information. Dolphin Entertainment to host first quarter earnings. Yeah, first quarter earnings. That's not gonna be a good one. Let's check past hour. No news. 124. No news. I think this is gonna go down. I'm not gonna worry about it because it's earning related. CETX. Do you want me to send the NIO and INO? NIO, let's see. Yeah, let me do that, so it will be helpful for you. And then what is that one? INO. Well, INO, alright, you have all the three stock with supporting and resistance levels. Let's go to CETX. CETX. So Friday night, here's the hard sell, and then today we have a soft sell. So let's check if they are having any news. Awesome. WKHS, yeah. So if you hold it since $2, so yeah, nice. It's great. There's a hard buy here at around 1592, so still moving up. Let's see. Yeah, swinging might work for this because it has a volatile level, and then these between these resistance levels they keep on going up and down. Once it touch, it goes down, and then touch the support, it goes up. So right now, for more than 6 days, it's in a straight line. Let's see. Oh, nice. Good to know. Perfect. CETX, no news since June 23. Thank you for giving out those news, RDP. CETX, no news, yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and mark it as red. Ford, and did we compare what is the outstanding shares for WKHS? I think I didn't check those. 91 million outstanding shares at $15. Basic EPS actually 42 cents, minus 42 cents, so that's not bad. Average 10-day volume is about 79. Not bad. You said Ford Motors? Yeah, it could be more than like, it should be, where is it? Oh my god, 3 at, it's close to 4 billion shares outstanding. So compared to WKHS, they're actually really bad. And this EPS is also at 76, minus 76. So the WKHS was around 46, right? So I see good future. Thank you guys. Thank you. Regal Pharmaceutical. Thank you. This means a lot to me. It motivates me to do more. Thursday, July 9th. Yeah. They gave something in the Europe, right? I remember I trade it like 3 times, but why it is moving today? It's already up 16% within the last 30 minutes. Something is proving. What about the amount of stocks? Okay, the pre-market volume is around 635, but there are more than 168 million shares outstanding. Without great news, I don't see anything that's going up for that. I will mark the resistance and the support level just in case. Before Corona, it was moving actually in a good position around $3. Well, let's see. First resistance 332, second resistance 3.5. This is a big company, but why it is going down? What is their earning per share? Not bad. If they have good news, this might actually break out. Support at 198. So yeah, since they don't have any news, I will wait for 198 entry. I like the company, but there is too many stocks right now. Let's see. Alright, so I'm gonna mark it with orange color. MYSZ. Let's see what's going on. Outstanding shares. Oh, 7 million outstanding shares, so that's not bad. 6 million float. Let's see earning per share. Oh Jesus, $21 minus $21. What is this? Software service, technology related. Let's see if they have any news. Last time they had news July 8 at 8 a.m. So July 8, what happened? Well, it went up 20%, 16%, yeah. But today it's already up 18%. Pre-market volume is not that much, so I think we should watch it because the reason they don't have much volume, much outstanding shares. But I want to see if they have any news today. No. Announcing something about expansion. That's fine. I will watch it for later. MYT 8:30. We still have more time to do research. Let's check for news. No news since June 25, so they also have some direct offerings. Okay, so that's why. So maybe they're done with the direct offering. Maybe that's why it's going up now. Yeah, so you see that's the curve. The bottom here is the direct offering. Once they finalize, now they are moving up. So already 100% up since the direct offering. is done, so I'm not going to worry about it. 45 million outstanding shares. Yeah, no. Yeah, that's the thing I'm trying, I want to like get at least 1,000 subscribers. Once that is done, then I can try doing day trading whole day. Alright, let's check NCTY. It's going to be hard, I have to build up. I have to keep on publishing this stuff. The differentiator with my channel and anyone else, I have my own plugin. I created it, I coded it. For 2 years I tested it. Right now I have more than 89 people using the plugin, and that's the difference. I can tell when to sell and when to buy. Since June 17, they don't have any other news. So they have limited announcers insurance. No. 37 million stocks. No. Who's this? 39 million outstanding shares. Let's see if they have news. Alright, so right now, guys, I have put 3 stocks news in the channel. You can see at the bottom there's a scrolling text. So all those information are about the topics for today. So topics in my pre-market watch list. Well, that's a way, I know, but let's see. I don't know if it is worth the price that I'm trying to sell. I'm actually asking for like $12.99 and for 60 days trial. I don't know if it is worth or not for the people who are using, but for me it's actually really worth. I created this, I think I mentioned this a couple of times before, because of my father. He is a great stock buyer, but he doesn't know when to sell. I as a child I was like, father, why don't you sell? It's already up. And he was like, oh, it will go up, it will go up. And he never sells at right time, and then he sell. Yeah, so I don't know, let's see, like $12.99. If I can get like 1,000, then I could make at least 12,000 a month. That way I can retire from my day job and then focus on the channel and the stocks and the software. All right, we'll see. OC doesn't have any news, so I'm not gonna use every. Let's see what's going on. News Friday night. No, this is not actually good news. This is about, they are saying there is heavy volume. Yeah, so no, not gonna do anything with that. Maxim. Dividend stock. What's the price? $73. Wait, why is it even in my list? I only check for stocks below 15, so we can swing it. Yeah, maxim is not gonna buy. All right, so ENZ bio company. Let's see if they have any news. Yep, they have some news within the last 4 minutes, so they are already moving up 670,000 shares volume today in pre-market and 47,000 outstanding shares, so not bad. Let's see what is the news. Emergency use authorization. All right, there's a swing trade opportunity right now. Let's go to 5 minute. Oh shit, the 5 minute shows a hard sell, so I'm gonna hold my horses here. I wanna see some. Actually, let's do the resistance fast as we can, since it get the news further, guys. I see I have made the resistance levels before for this 490 and 459, but let's mark the new resistance levels here. Yeah, at 370 there's a resistance level. I'll mark it with green, and the support 242. That's one. That's two. So I will mark it with blue color. Hey guys, whoever watching, if you like the channel, please subscribe and like the videos. It will help me to grow my channel. Alright, so I will keep it in the list for today just in case. Well, we didn't actually read the entire thing, so let me share the news with you guys. The news is out like less than 10 minutes ago, so give it a try. The screen, wow, I actually tried HD. I will look into making 4K videos. I need to update some plugins for the software that I'm using. Yeah, OBS. I will look into it later on. Thank you for letting me know, Chris. Chris, I think, did you send another friend of yours to use the plugin? I saw someone said Chris sent. Not sure if it is that you. Let's see, OnePunch. OnePunch. Yeah, alright, cool, Chris. I will add him. Yep, I will add him today. Awesome. Thank you very much, Chris. $335. That's the resistance. 335. Yeah, the OnePunch anime. I love it. Hilarious anime. That's why I actually named this the Algo OnePunch. One of my favorites after One Piece. Yeah, it took me like 2 years testing, program testing. Let's see. So ENZ, they do have coronavirus related news. So just in case if we forget, I will add it to my scrolling text below. United Steel X. Let's mark the support and resistance. Before that, let's check how many outstanding shares they have. 220 million outstanding shares at $7. Market cap is 1.6 billion. What about the earning? Yeah, the earning is the one. Since it is about steel industry, there's this Brazilian steel company that I actually brought puts on option market, because right now Brazil is one of the top countries to like provide all these minerals and materials for steel and other industries. But everything is, because of corona, everything is closed, and Brazil is suffering really bad. Even the president is suffering from corona. So I kind of feel like, because of the news, they have a negative effect right now. But for corona, this went down until $4.68, right? Since then it is up 137, but now 59. So there is still opportunity, because previously it was up around $14, but the companies keep on going down. So that's one of the concerns I might have. But great for swinging. It's a high volatile company, but the last 2 years it's keep on going down. So the trend is not actually great. So this is the trend, right? This is the trend mark. What happens, this type of stocks, they tend to reverse the split and then announce stock offerings. They don't even give dividends. A $1.6 billion worth company. But that's just my 2 cents on this. A couple of research and stuff like that. But you can swing trade. Oh my god, $166 worth of company. Now, yeah, it's going down. I wouldn't hold, but it's okay to swing trade right now. Let's mark all these resistance levels so we can see what's going on. Support, actually the first resistance is at 853, right now 751. Let's see if there's anything else between 789. Yeah, this one. Yeah, there's something at 789. There's a small resistance. Oh, sorry. I will be slow when I'm explaining if it is too much. So 853 and 789 are the next resistance levels. The support is at 693. So right now it is trending upwards. The other thing you guys need to check when doing trades, I like to check 30 minutes and then the 20 days moving average and 100 days moving average. So for an example, this red color you see, actually this is not a red. Let me change the color because it's confusing for me to say dark red and light red. So let's put some something that is not in the chart. How about dark blue? And then I will make it a little bit bigger. Alright, so the dark blue line is the 20-day moving average, and then the red line is the 100-day moving average. So historically, if you check, oh my god, is there another another dark blue? Come on, it's confusing. Let me change it again. Alright, EMA. Yeah, now it's right. Alright, so historically when we check, every time when the dark blue crosses down red 100-day moving average, stock goes down. As soon as it crosses up, stock start to move up, right? You see, that's also a pattern. So at the moment, it seems it's if you are holding, this is a great indicator. You can still go on with it and then wait for the software to give a selling point. But if you are starting to buy right now, I would wait, because I like to buy stocks when the 20-day moving average is below 100-day moving average. So something like this area, when it started to turn upwards like this, then that's the indication to buy in. So I have a scanner for that too, to day trade. It's called EMA 20 cross up SMA 100, and I'm also testing some other scanners to give me like exactly when there is some kind of buying opportunity when 100-day moving average is above 20-day moving average. I will try to make a couple of videos that explains these scanners that I am using. Yeah, so 70, 789 and 853 are two of the resistance levels for current movement. I don't think it will go to $10 though, because the fact Brazil is close and the market is actually not doing very well for steel industry. All right, I talked too much about the stock. WKHS is in the pre-market list. What's going on? We talk about it today, guys. We just talk about it today. So it's moving up, already up 20%. Yeah, 100-day moving average, about 20-day moving average. Algo is actually released. Anyone can use it. I'm actually giving it for 60-day free trial, and then it's actually $12.99. Well, the thing is, if a hedge fund offered me a couple of million, I would consider, but well, I don't think. let's see. You know, so for someone like Warren Buffett, well, actually Warren Buffett is not a swing trader, so it's not a good idea, but they have swing traders in their company. For a billionaire using their money, they can make tons of money using a software like this or a plugin like this. Maybe they have already, but I don't know. This is a unique software. I actually tried a lot of other options out there, but none of them are precise, and they talk about 1%, 2% profit abilities. This gives you the correct timing to sell. Let's see. I actually need to make it more better. Webull, yeah, so here's the deal. I can recreate the plugin for what is the company eThread, because they do allow us to code in their software, but Webull, they don't still allow us to code in their software. That's the problem. These guys, TradingView, they have a couple of brokers you can see here, and the best part of this plugin, I can create a algo that can trade for you guys in the future. So they will buy and sell for you when you activate the algo, but it will be in the future, not yet. I'm still working on testing them. I gave like $100 for the plugin, and it made me $500 in the last 7 to 8 months, so still not bad. All right, WKHS about to break that resistance. We just talked about breaking this resistance level, so now it's actually breaking the resistance level. If it broke the 1790, then the next stop at 1990, so watch out for that. 30 minute doesn't show me any bad indicator, so this is going to move up. Alright, so what are the other stocks that are moving up? CCXX, yeah, there's the sell, hard sell, 30 minutes, yeah. Do they have any news? We just check it like a couple of minutes ago. Oh my god, yeah, there's news 90 minutes ago. Let me give you guys the PR link so you guys can read it. So yeah, so this is great news. This is some kind of certification given by the California government, state government. So I'm going to add for the watch list. Where does it say demand stocks? Let me read everything. William, where does it say they demand stocks. I can't see which paragraph. First, second, third, fourth. Well, the thing is, we can still swing trade, you know. The next stop is at 19.4. So if this break right now, I'm going to jump in to make some quick trade. Alright, I am buying in. Let's see if I can swing trade this. How many shares they have today? Outstanding 91 million shares. Previous high $22. So there's some opportunity for us. Now guys, I'm gonna watch this for a few seconds to swing trade. I see a lot of stocks that went up last couple of weeks are moving up in my scanner. It's actually great. ALT, SPAQ, oh SPAQ, yeah, they did a great job. I did see Vimy again, and the pre-market already 2 million stock. Oh, ECOR 21 million stocks volume. This is going to be a great swing trade for today. Yeah, they broke that support resistance. This is 5 minutes though, so let's see 15 minutes. And that's the 2 selling points, and then the pickup if this broke $3.16, $3.11, it should go up. Is there anything else that is keeping it down? No, right? That's actually a big support. Oh, there you go. $5 is the next stop. Yeah, I can't even mark anything in between because that's a straight shoot from September within 10 days. So there is possibility because you guys see the news is there. I have put all my top picks news in the channel below, scrolling up, scrolling down. All right, I sold at 1790. So here is when I brought in and then I sold there. So within 15 minutes, %. I still see the opportunity for it with 15 minutes and 30 minutes. So maybe it will break out again, but I'm not going to jump. I will wait until it break out after 18. From it's changing downwards. Let's see. Alright, so today for pre-market, I'm gonna watch ECOR, ALT, EQ, and ENZ, WKHS. These are great swing trading opportunities for today for bag holders and shorters and day traders. I'm not going to check other stocks, even though this one triggers my interest, but they do have 69 million Australian shares. That's not bad for a small company. They did had a couple of news previous few days, so it's going above the resistance levels right now. Under 30 minutes, let's see if they have a, yeah, they have hard sell at 7.15, so it should go down, so I'm not going to worry about it. WKHS 15 minute, I see a hard soft sell. 30 minutes, yeah, that's the one. All right, I think that's done until it comes down for 15.39, maybe 16.82, and then jump back again. Let's see. They have news. EQ had news, and I am looking at to enter around $8. Yeah, Vimy was like, if you guys check last Friday, I I did some buy and sell in the resistance on pre-market and made the 1,000, and then I went ahead and came back at 12 o'clock, and then I saw these resistance break at that time, and I jump in. Since then it kept on going up and up and up. Very crazy. See all the green lines. That's the sell cue for me. That's the next sell cue today in the morning, and now it's moving down. But the same stock, I think ECOR, no, EQ, one of the stocks that we picked didn't had a resistance level at all. Was it ALT for the last 5 years? No, something, now I can't remember what it was. Oh, actually this one, WKHS. Alright, so 9 o'clock, let's see what Webull guys are doing, not Webull, Robinhood guys are doing. Maybe they're taking the profit. Yeah, ALT. Alright, so EQ is going to hit the first support level at 7.99. Let's see. I want to see that support getting touched. So as the Robinhooders, well, I'm also one of the Robinhooders. I do use Webull and Robinhood. The best thing about Robinhood, they are faster than Webull, even though I have all the subscription in both sites. But Webull, I can do trade from 4 a.m. to until 8 p.m. Robinhood doesn't do that, and I think Robinhood doesn't also allow shorting, so that's another plus for me. And Webull does give you like a share lending program, and I kind of get some couple of dollars, $20, $30 here and there sometimes when I hold. You have to subscribe for that system. Alright, WKHS is going down. That's about it, you see. That's where I jump in, sold, took the 5% within 15, and then now it's going down. So this is why it is important to have resistance levels and support levels, because previously these are the levels that all the people start to panic and sell, because they think, okay, this might be the highest. But then there are analysts like me, chart analysts, who already saw these patterns and then mark those levels, and then they sell too. So when everyone start to do the same thing at a certain point, then that's how the market get this buy sell resistance and support levels. ALT didn't hit the support. What happened to the like? There was a like few minutes ago. Now it's not even there. I think YouTube is taking my likes. Oh, YouTube. William, you did like, right? Did you took that like away? Oh man. OSS. What's going on there? One stop system. It's up 24 at 9 o'clock. OSS. Oh yeah, there's one like back. Maybe YouTube is listening for us and taking likes back. Really, we have to. We only see one. Still one for some reason. Come on, YouTube, don't take my likes. No news in the bar chart. Let's see in Google. Big Brother. Past 24 hours, nothing. Wait, what is this? What? Wait, is this actually true? Britain set a ban Huawei from 5G. This is good for Nokia. Actually, yeah, let's see Nokia. Nokia do have options for 2021 for $10. If the 5G comes in really great, Nokia will touch at least 10, you know. But right now, Huawei is taking most of those deals, so I'm actually glad to see Bitcoin did this. But I saw some concerning facts on Saturday where some of our Navy ships starting to move on to China Sea, which is actually, I don't know how things gonna move up. If that happen, we're gonna really see defensive stocks starting to move up. OSS, are they? What are they doing? Pre-market, well, pre-market shares only 339, maybe Robinhood had sold that, so I'm okay with them. ECOR looking good. Want to see some entry levels later on today. These are the top traded pre-market traded stocks. So ECOR 25 million shares traded, and the outstanding share volume is around 38 million. NBY is a company that sell masks, and I kind of feel it's actually a Chinese company. They do buy from China. Not bad because they have K95 mask. CCXX 4,058,000. I don't see the outstanding shares volume, so let's see what is your entry for ECOR. ECOR, I want to see people taking profit when the market open, right? So my entry, I want to see it touch to 6 and then move up a little, and then I will jump it. If not, if it came out all open and it's moving up $3, then let's see if there's a resistance there. Yeah, so if it started to move up in the pre-market like that, I'll wait the first red color candlestick and then jump in, and then I would see something like that along the line before it goes down. So there are two buying positions. One, if the market opens above the $3.13 resistance level, then wait for the first red entry, red candlestick. If it goes down and touch 268 and then move up a little bit, then that's the buying point. If nothing happens and went down directly after market open, like breaking down the 260s, then I'm done, not going to touch. But ECOR does have nice pre-market news. Again, for those who aren't aware of it, I will put it here just in case, and I did put it in my feed so you guys can see and read it. Well, how many shares outstanding? 28 million. Already 26 million shares float. Shares traded. People will try to So still there are 12 million shares to short sell. That's the concerning part here. Short sellers can drag this down. Well, but you can still swing trade, intraday. Look out for 5 minutes and then open a chart with 50 minutes as well. So first one is going to be 5 minutes and the next one going to be 15 minutes. And the reason behind it, you're going to trade 5 minutes, but you have to watch 50 minutes for where the pattern is moving. So right now with 50 minute pattern is moving down. Bix, are you still here or already went out? Today we have a couple of chats. Great to see some chats forming up every day. I like you guys asking questions from me, asking to draw the resistance levels and all. Well, in the future I will teach you guys. I actually have another plugin I forget to mention. The plugin is called OnePunch Algo Study. Actually it gives you alerts. So soon, once I'm done with my 2-year testing with it, I will let you know what it actually does. So what it actually does for me, I can give set up alerts. So it send me text messages, emails, or window notifications when the stocks move up and down according to the alerts that I have set up there. I will show you guys later on. There are a lot of things that you guys can do using this TradingView software actually. What's going on with ALT? Went up 40, was it? $43 within 30 minutes, and now it's going down. That's the hard sell. E in is that? No, it's going down. WKHS, yeah, that's the hard sell. Here it is. EQ, alright, I like it. ECOR and EQ, I like both. EQ, what was the news? Let's put that out there so people know. Oh yeah, this is the one. So EQ moving downwards. I will wait for that 799, touching 799, and for ECOR I'll wait until it touches 260s or it goes above 340. Actually let's mark it there. So that's today's high, so let me mark it from a different color. That's the color one. Yeah, very good. 10 minutes more. Do you guys have any other stocks that we can check within the next couple of minutes, or do you guys just want to watch it? Hey guys, all the new viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are watching ECOR at the top possible trading stuff. VXRT, another COVID vaccine. Let's see their outstanding shares volume, 74 million. How about the resistance levels for this? Alright, I have those marked before they are right. Let's check year to date first. Okay, about 1 year, 5 years. So 5 years they have resistance levels, but not 1 year. So let's mark from 5 years here then. Support at 5, first one. Right now it's moving above that. So the first support 799. Yeah, that's the one. And then you have a resistance at 12.99. Did this stock had any reverse splits? Let me check that fast. Oh yeah, there you go. February 2018. After that, no, right? Okay, that's cool. Okay, that's fine. So 78 million without news today moving. Oh, actually, let me double check if they have news. Well, it's vulnerable because of the vaccine news, so it could go up even without anything because people might jump in. There's a Yahoo article. Let's double check. Maybe it's an old article. Are you sure it is today? Let's see. Yeah, 4 days ago. Monthly fool, yeah, they like to just put the same thing again and again. So no article. The best stocks for today. Yeah, 2 days. Oh, yeah, the Friday. But still, it's from monthly fool, right? So monthly fool, they actually like to reshare whatever the articles they see. So, but let's double check. Okay, so 6 minutes ago, there's one news came out. So maybe that's why it's going up, not because of the last 2 days article. So here's the press release that was released today. Second virus wave fears create growing demand for testing. Alright, so this is the news. Now I like it. Actually, this is news for all the stocks that are working on the COVID testings. let's check 30 minutes what's going on. I will fast mark all the resistance levels. We still have 5 minutes, so let's see. Let's go ahead and create all the resistance level for this one. That's one at 1029. There is one more. 1139. I can't take it as a resistance level because it's after hours. So alright, so there you go. Oh, there's a support. Touch twice and previous day another time, so there's one there too. Alright, so it's trending with news in between 9:39 and 8:43, so it could actually do something, but I want to see it is breaking 9:39 for me to enter. Yeah, from 9:39 until 10, 9% profit. But there is a soft buy, you can see here. So since then it went up for the soft sell 13% up, but now we have news, so now it's up further. Yeah, normal soft sell. Again, the 20-day moving averages, if you check, there is the, well, this is for 30 minutes, right? So let's check 1 hour. What's the progress in moving averages? 1 hour moving average is still so high. Now 45, still high, so it's moving up now. That's good. 30 minutes down, 15 minutes. Yeah, that's when the cross, 100-day moving average cross, and then slowly started to turn in this area. So when the OnePunch give the buy indication and also the moving average shows a trend reversal, then actually it's a good buy. So now it goes up. Alright, so going back again to EQ and ECOR. ECOR. LD moving downwards, E and Z. Why do I even have this one here? Moving down. Okay, I'm gonna delete that. WKHS. Now that's the hard sell for 15 minutes. If you check 30 minutes also, it is still a soft sell in 30 minutes. So let's see when the market opens. So 11 seconds till market open. I'm going to check with both of these. Alright, good luck guys. See you guys tomorrow.